Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the water pump on a Toyota 4Runner. Disconnect the battery and drain the cooling system before you start. Next, remove the serpentine belt and timing cover to expose the pump, then unbolt the housing carefully. Keep fasteners organized and document hose routing with photos to speed reassembly. Work methodically and wear gloves and eye protection while handling coolant and tools. With the accessory drive removed, unbolt the water pump flange and inspect the gasket surface for corrosion. Clean mating surfaces with a scraper and solvent, then fit the new gasket and pump carefully. Torque bolts in a crisscross pattern to the specified value and replace the timing cover seal if worn. Reinstall the belt and tensioner, then refill the cooling system with the correct mix and bleed air from the hoses and heater core. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps us out. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for waiting in the garage, with a crisp screen and long battery life that keeps manuals handy. Check the video description for the link and other deals, and enjoy hands-free reading while bolts soak. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After refilling coolant, run the engine and check for leaks at the pump and hose connections. Monitor temperature and top off the coolant as trapped air works out of the system. Verify correct belt alignment and listen for unusual noises, then recheck torque on accessible fasteners after a short test drive. Dispose of old coolant responsibly and keep service records for future maintenance and warranty reference. If unsure, consult a factory manual or a qualified technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.